you actually, in the eyes of North Carolina domestic law, still own half of that watch or ring. Sometimes the law doesn't, or family law doesn't, follow common sense. A glaring example in North Carolina is if during the marriage you give your wife a gift, say you give your wife or your husband jewelry, a watch, a ring, you actually, in the eyes of North Carolina domestic law, still own half of that watch or ring. Another thing that's really important in domestic law is deeds. Deeds to your land. A deed is the title to your land that's recorded. And people often don't pay attention to, if they have a piece of property prior to marriage, they'll deed it over to themselves and their spouse. What people don't realize is you, by reason of North Carolina law, if you put your wife's name on the deed or your husband's name on the deed, whether you meant to or not, you actually give a gift to your spouse. Now you can rebut this presumption, but it's very difficult to do, and people don't understand a lot of times they're doing this when they simply sign the deed at the lawyer's office. You really need to have good legal advice about whose name goes on the deed.